Hello friends, this is Chef Girish and welcome to my kitchen. Guys, I am making a very traditional soup recipe from India. This is basically from south of India. The recipe is called as rasam. So let's start with the recipe. Let's see what are the ingredients we require for the recipe. A lentil water, turmeric, tamarind pulp, mustard seeds, coriander leaves and curry leaves, red chili powder, rasam powder, freshly grated coconut, some hing, that is asafoetida, black pepper powder, salt to taste and oil to cook. So let's start with the recipe. What we need to do is we need to heat up the pan first. So we have heat up the pan now. So what we need to do first is we need to add a tablespoon of oil in this. Let's heat up the pan for a minute. So oil has to be hot, and then we'll add first ingredient, that is little mustard seeds. Now we need to wait till the mustards will get crackled, they'll splutter, and then we'll add curry leaves in this. As this will crackle, I will add little bit of hing powder, that is asafoetida. In this, curry leaves will go. As this will splutter, what you have to do is you have to slow down the gas and you need to add spices in this. Now in spices we have turmeric powder, a pinch of turmeric, a pinch of red chili powder, rasam powder, a spoon of rasam powder, and we need to cook this. So the masalas, whatever masalas we have added, that is cooked. Now what we have to do is we have to add lentil water in this. And we need to boil this mixture. Now since this is, we are making a pepper rasam, we need to add pepper powder in this. A lot of pepper powder in this. This will be little spicier. What I'll do is I'll add little salt and little water in this. Salt to taste, and then little bit of water. This rasam is basically a little watery kind of soup. It is not very thick soup. This is a kind of little thin soup. Either you can have straight away as a soup, or you can have this recipe with little hot or steamed rice. So a pepper rasam is absolutely ready to eat. For such more South Indian recipes or delicacies, what you need to do is you need to like, subscribe and comment for our recipes. We'll see you soon with such more recipes. Till then, take care. Thank you.